Hey guys, it's your girl Ray and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all well and blessed. I'm back again with another video. I've got some goodies to show you guys, new foundation goodies. I basically picked up the foundation by The Ordinary. This is a foundation that's been going around. It's quite old now, it's nothing new. But I thought I'd give it a try because there's nothing like having a good foundation that is cheap. I haven't found one yet. I've had okay foundations like LA Girl Pro, what's it called? Like some LA Girl one, it's in my previous video. And I've tried some, like I've recently tried Maybelline and Rimmel, sorry, foundation. They're all right. They're not like, I'm trying to find like drugstore foundations in the quality of like, what are they called? Let's just say high standard foundations, i.e. MAC, Bobbi Brown, or what it is, or what it is. If you want to know more about the foundation, keep watching. Okay, but so I picked up two different shades. I got one in 3.2 N, which is like N stands for neutral, I guess, and then I've got 3.2 in R, so it's 3.2 R, which is red undertones, I guess. I picked both of them because I feel like I'm going to be a mixture between two of them. A guy, I don't know who he is. If I remember him, I'm going to list him down below. But he's an absolute legend because he basically compared all the colours to MAC Studio Fix, so it made it so much easier for me to pick my colour because I can wear NW46 or NW48. NW48 is my preferred colour though. But I don't use Studio Fix anymore. I've gone over to the what's it called? Hold on. Pro Longwear Nourishing Waterproof Foundation. Love it, love it, love it. This is my favorite foundation. Yeah, I did not like Studio Fix because I felt like it was very like, I just didn't like the way it felt on my face. I didn't think it was flawless. It always used to like melt. This one, my favorite foundation ever. So I'm gonna try these ones, and at least if we can't get like a high standard foundation, at least let it be a really good drugstore foundation. Let's hope it is. If it's not, I'm sorry. And just to let you guys know, don't look at my frontal because it's not glued down. So if you see bits flipping around, it ain't glued down because I ain't wearing this wig out today. So, and I'm going out later. Okay, so there, let me read a bit about the specs. It's full coverage foundation, high coverage foundation formula. The 3.2 R is red undertones, just like I thought. It's deep. And then I've got with the other one, it's neutral undertone, but it's also deep. They're both full coverage. I think they've got other foundations like a one that's not full coverage, but ain't nobody checking for not full coverage. So let's open these bad boys up. This is the one I'm opening is the 3.2 R red undertones one. Okay. So it already comes with a pump, that's always a plus. And the top feels kind of velvety. I don't know if you guys care about this kind of stuff, but I'm gonna tell you anyway. Let me pump it. So this is the red undertone one. It's very rich. It's very like red and rich. I like the color. I feel like it'll work on my skin. But let me see the neutral one. According to the guy's review that he did on comparing it to Studio Fix, I am a 3.2 N, but I put a foundation on my top. No, but I am very red undertones. I'm not neutral. So when he said that, I was kind of like, are you sure? So only this will tell. So in with the 3.2 N neutral one. You can barely see it in this light. Like, oh, it's there. You can barely see it. My light is just too orange. So sorry guys, but they're very watery, like they're really watery. I don't know how much I'm gonna like this, but we gonna see. Okay, so let's go right onto the face. No more faffing around. Let's see what it's going to do. So I'm gonna go in with the red undertone one, and let's see what one. I'm gonna go in with just 2 pumps, and then I'm gonna add the neutral one as well. Okay, I added 2 pumps of each, so let's go. In real life, it's not as bad as it is on the camera because, like I said, the lighting of my light is like so orange, like, and I tried to put like a white tissue paper in front of it, but sorry guys, the lighting is just going to be a bit orange today. I'll sort it out for the next video. It's not bad. In the camera, like I said, it looks really bad. But in real life, the colour is alright. I'm going to go in with more red because I'm so much more red than I am neutral. So I'm going to try and move the red tones. At the moment, I'm not mad at it. Like YouTubers like to say, I ain't mad at it, okay? But I don't know how to feel about it. It's all right. I think I need a deeper tone, like a more richer, darker tone. I like to be darker than I am lighter. But let me finish my foundation, then I'm gonna come back to you guys. So guys, I tried my best to calm down the yellow tones of this light, or the orange tone. So it might not be as perfect, but this is what I've got for now. So basically, this is the foundation at its best. I did my eyebrows because my eyebrows were looking crazy. Sorry if I keep looking over there because I can see myself there. But yes, this is the foundation. It's not bad. It feels like I've got nothing on my face, and that's always a win for me. Like with Studio Fix, I felt like it was melting. I felt like da-da-da. Where this feels like I've got absolutely nothing on my face. It's very satiny. It feels like it's very satin type feel, which I don't normally like because when it's satin, I always feel like it's gonna come off easily. Where with the MAC waterproof one, it's super tacky and it just sits right. Like it just sits so right on my face. But this is all right. It's not like I wouldn't give it a 0. It feels good so far. Really, it's down to how long it lasts, how it goes on during the day, how it behaves. So I can give you guys like an updated version later. But for now, this is what I'm getting on the look. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna finish my makeup and then we're gonna round it up. So I hope you enjoy the rest of this video. Bye. So guys, this is the final look. I really like the way this foundation feels. I don't feel it, and that's such a big thing for me because I hate like when foundation feels really heavy, but I don't feel this one like at all. I feel it feels like skin, so that's definitely a plus for me. I would use this. I think I would use this on a regular basis. I'll definitely use it for my everyday. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Like, it's a plus for me. Like, just guys, just look. I think it gives me like a nice finish, right? Like I said, I need to try it. I need to go out and I need to see how it wears for at least a few hours, and then I'll let you guys know how it sits. Okay? But at the moment, I'm liking it. I think this look is quite pretty, if you ask me. I'm going for the pretty vibe, the pinks and like the browns and the purples. But yeah, I like it, guys. If you've tried it, let me know if you like it. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know what you think. And even if you've got more foundations you want me to try out that are like drugstore one, let a chick know. But also, guys, I forgot to tell you, I think I bought this for £5.90. Mud £5.90 only, and it's quite good. How many mils is it? I like left out so many specs, forgive me guys. Okay, it doesn't actually say 30 mils. I think MAC is 33 for the Studio Fix, but this is 30 mils. I at the moment I recommend it. If you want to know my full review after a couple of hours, then obviously stay tuned for that video. But right now I'm feeling it. I think it's good. It sits well. Like I said, I don't feel it. It's giving me a nice flawless look. I'm gonna wear it tomorrow to church and see if my sisters recognize this foundation and see if they like it, because at the moment I am liking this a lot. So yes, it's a thumbs up for me, guys, and it's £5.90. That is nothing, absolutely nothing. So if you got £6 to spare, go try it out. You don't lose much. And I actually got this through ASOS, which I use Klarna, so you don't have to actually pay anything yet. So give it a whirl. So thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna love you and I'm gonna leave you, and I'll see you next time, my next video. Bye.